using our CAD Essentials kit. First step is going to be using the DiaTrim Sintered Diamond ceramic bonded wheel to remove the sprue, and we're going to go just around 8K RPM. Make sure the wheel is rotating away from the margins. Next step is going to be using our DiaFlex Sintered Diamond Medium Grit Rubber Wheel. We're going to slow down the speed a little bit, right at about 6K RPM. And this is meant to act as a pre-polisher, as well as smoothing out any unwanted burr marks from the milling process. Again, rotate the wheel away from the margin to avoid chipping. That'll get nice and smooth for when we polish it with a DiaShine, which is the next step. Stiff bristle brush and DiaShine fine. Rotate the bristle brush in the paste at a slow speed. Don't overload the brush. And we're going to go right at about 8 to 9K RPM. Start off slow, get the paste on the restoration, and then speed up. Keep the brush in contact with the restoration and let the brush and the paste do the work. No on and off. When you're working in the occlusal anatomy, you want to slow down a little bit. The last step is going to be using our goat hair soft bristle chamois center brush at 10,000 RPM with no paste. There you have it.